Well, I tell them come here and get checked out and tell them about that y'all actually come to their home and do the hearing test, all that. I've seen people out in public with hearing aids, and I question where they got them and everything. Some of them say they're not happy, but then I say we need to come see Mike at Hearing at Home. And it's a great product, and it's definitely helped me. When I first got them, I've been pretty much deaf for 30 or 40 years. And the amazing sounds that you hear being deaf that long. I had my 30, 40 years, I hadn't had a squirrel, I couldn't hear a squirrel bark in the woods. Now I hear him now. But I highly recommend Hearing at Home. Coming to the house is definitely a plus. It's sometimes I can't leave the house because of other things, and stop by and do that. Great, cuts down on the running.